Hi there. Happy Friday, everyone. So, here I am with another video, and I just decided to hop on here for a few minutes and remind you about, um, your health again. And have you ever heard the term that everything is in the universe is about energy, frequency, and vibration? Well, that was a Nikola Tesla quote, actually, but it's true. And in fact, a lot of the research in quantum physics is proving that very thing, that the material world that we live in, this physical world that we live in, is actually not that physical at all. Because particle physics, in fact, explains that the only difference between solid matter of us and this space around us is the speed with which the atoms and the particles move. So everything really is energy and vibration. And when I talk about health, I also mention about you feeling good and how important attitude and optimism is. And in fact, that's been proven over and over again, too. If you are vibrating at a higher frequency, you tend to be more optimistic, you tend to be more happier, you tend to be more healthy. And spend time in nature, I've told you before, to raise your vibration. Spend time with your kids or your pets, whichever makes you happier. Spend time practicing some mindfulness, a little bit of meditation, deep breathing. 4 deep breaths actually are very valuable. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth 4 times. And it really helps to calm you down. In fact, even if something is annoying you or frustrating you, your job, your spouse, your kids, your pets, whatever it is, try to do some deep breathing before you respond. Eating light. When we were talked about nutrition, one of my other videos, eating lighter meals, not huge, big meals at one time, and nothing too heavy, especially later on in the day when it's harder for your body to metabolize and digest those things. So maybe eating a heavier meal in the morning if you must, and then decreasing the size of your portions later on through the day, and in fact, more lighter meals, maybe more vegetables, more fruit, that kind of thing. Taking a walk, practicing yoga, immersing yourself in water, Epsom salt bath with some essential oils are wonderful, or just Epsom salts by themselves, by itself. All those things are really, really helpful. So I hope that some of this helps you to live a better life, and pay attention to your emotions also. That's also very helpful. Paying attention to your emotions and not keeping fear, stress, anger, things like that in your body for too long. Release, 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 release. If you've ever watched the movie Frozen, well, Elsa's song is perfect. Let it go. Let it go. It Ask yourself the question, is this going to matter in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year? Most things are not going to matter. So just let them go. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say today. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again in my next videos next week. Love you all. Bye.